Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're looking to move your cryptocurrency from Coinbase Wallet to Kraken in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups or losses. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring assets like a pro, helping you diversify your portfolio or explore new platforms securely. First, ensure you have accounts on both Coinbase Wallet and Kraken, and that your crypto is ready to move. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app or website and logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, head over to Kraken. Log into your Kraken account and go to the Deposit section. Choose the same cryptocurrency from the list, and Kraken will generate a unique wallet address for you. Make sure to copy this address carefully, it's your key to a successful transfer. Now, switch back to Coinbase Wallet. In the Send or Transfer section, paste the Kraken wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that it matches exactly to prevent any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees involved. They can vary based on the blockchain. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction, possibly with a PIN or biometric verification for security. Once approved, sit back and wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Kraken and check your balance to confirm the funds have arrived. And there you have it. Your crypto is now on Kraken. A quick tip. Always use this method in a secure environment and consider the potential for fees or market volatility. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.